I don't know what the hell is the reason why this thing isn't starting, but I just had it started, as you could tell. This is the second time I've tried it, and it's not wanting to cooperate. So, got my handy dandy pliers. Try this again. There's the fan. I leave it on the on to find out if it is running. And if it is, I got power juice. Oh, cold. Come on, baby, start. Oh, great. Now it ain't gonna start. Uh-oh, I killed the system. Call 911, I just killed the truck. Or call the big tow truck in the sky, because I just killed his truck. Not very good. And I get it running again. Cool. Tighten this up a little more. Oops. Don't let that touch negative, or else you'll see an arc weld. And I don't feel like telling Jacob, my brother, why the handy dandy pliers are stuck. Oh. Wow, this thing didn't really want to take off. It's smoking! Which tells me it's running right. My phone's about to go dead because it is freezing out here. I had 3 bars, went to 2, went to 1, and now it's on red. Now, let's see if it'll start up again. Oh. Apparently I had my suspension on. Cool. I like this truck. I think my starter is trying to keep starting. This thing originally had the original starter, and we brought it home. It wouldn't disengage. It just kept wanting to start the truck, even when it was shut off. We had to bang on it with a hammer. Hadn't had any problems, except sometimes it didn't want to start. It just make that big old screech noise. No, it somehow got 2 wires cut from a piece of metal, which I don't know why and how.